puppy love is?
Puppy love is like, you know how you love your mother? It feels the same way, but it's different.
There are about 104 million singles.
104 million singles. I've decided I'm going to set out on a 15-city Yappy Hour tour. Yappy Hour is a singles party for people and dogs to raise money for animal rescue and meet relationship experts.
There you go.
The best in their fields of study.
The cuddle hormone.
And what do I have to do? Where do I get this?
You don't get it, you make it.
It's very cute the way you compare the love of an animal to humans, because animal rights supporters and animal lovers, not the most attractive.
Is there such thing as true puppy love out there? That's what I want to know.
There isn't. Your search is over. Get over it.